Hi everyone, Cheryl here again with video number 3 on another flower, and the one I'm going to focus on this time is the smallest of the 3 that I've made of the paper, and so I'm going to make another one of this one right here. I'll probably end up using a different brad though, but at least it'll give you an idea. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm using Heartfelt Creations Posy patch die cut. And I'm using the 2 smaller ones. There's 7 in this set, and so there's 3 small, these would be the 3 smallest. So I'm using these 2 and not the 3rd smallest. And you'll cut 2 of each. So 2 of this size and 2 of this size. So you should have 4 flowers there. Next thing you're going to want to do is just go ahead and distress these a little bit, and I'm using Tim Holtz Distress Ink Antique Linen, and just go over them. This paper that I'm using is a Swiss Dots cardstock, so it has some dots. I don't know if you'll see it. It's really, really pretty. So just go ahead and get those inked up a little bit. Maybe you can see now. I don't know if this camera is not going to focus the light. See if I move the light, you can see the dots on there. Okay, so anyways, you'll have 4 of those, and now we've done that, and then just give them a little spray. I'm using the Pearl Shimmers. And now you're just going to crinkle these up a little bit. We're not going to crinkle them so much as we did in the first 2 videos of the other flowers I've made. And so now you have those done. So now you're just going to want to add, make sure they're dry. I'm going to add these now. Usually you set them aside, let them dry a little bit, and you're going to add the flower on top of the other large flower, and just make sure your petals are you know, covering the open space on the bottom one. Now take these 2 larger ones, and you're going to use your crocodile or hole punch. I use the smallest hole and punch a hole in the center. Try to get it center. Okay. Now I'm just going to stick any brad. I think I want the brown. Maybe not. Let's try. Yeah, let's do that one. So just pick any brad. They don't all have to match up. And kind of scrunch them up. And now you can add another foam square to the bottom of these 2. And there you have that. And then I'm just going to hot glue gun this to my box up at the top. Oops. Hopefully you could see well. Anyways, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on making a small paper flower. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Have a nice day.